22,000 divided by 100. Look, 10, 100,000, 10,000, these are called power of 10. 10 to the power 1 means 10, 10 to the power 2 means 100, right? Of course, these are positive power. So to divide a whole number by power of 10, like 100, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal point right to left equal to the number of zeros. Number of 0 here 2, so decimal point will move right to left 2 digit. This is a whole number, so first decimal point will appear here, then 2 places, 1 place, 2 place here. So we are getting like this, 22, then 0. You don't need to place comma here. Now decimal 0 0. This number means 22. This 0 you can remove this portion. After decimal just 0, so you can delete. So 220. 220 is our answer. This number is 100 times. This number is 100 times smaller than this number.